just got a month in Marriott hotels.
Oh gosh. Hashtag titanium member.
After a month of being apart, the whole family was reunited in Antigua. We jumped right back into boat life, checking out new anchorages and enjoying a few meals out on this beautiful island. The kids were even invited to a sushi making workshop, which ended up with them bartending and waiting on customers. They loved it.
We made it. We're in Antigua, hanging out, having fun at this beautiful anchorage in Nelson's dockyard. And we're finally going to get out the Kite wing and give it a try. So we've got about 11 knots of wind from the west. We're just gonna go out in the channel. We're gonna try it first on a sup board, have a little bit more stability before we attempt the foil. So let's hope for the best.
Today, I just wanted to burn off some energy, so then we decided to hike the trail. We're going all the way up there.
Do you know what it's called?
Now.
Do you know?
Cabot Cliffs?
Good guess.
Shirley Heights.
Oh, Shirley Heights.
Shirley Heights. Let's go.
Say, 1 times 1. Feeling what?
That's where you saw the...
Remy, come on! You mountain dog!
Our favorite part of Antigua was connecting with a few other cruiser families and spending time with them and their kids. There was lots of swimming, horseplay, and even sleepovers. Our least favorite part was closing the boat down and prepping it for haul out. We were overdue for a bottom repaint and a number of other maintenance and wish list items. Watch next time as we enjoy another season cruising the Caribbean.